In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a flexible pattern URL redirect in Hubspot. Flexible pattern redirects are really useful when you need to move groups of pages at once without creating individual redirects for every single URL. Instead of mapping one old link to one new link, you define a pattern, and Hubspot handles all matching URLs automatically. Let's start by getting into the right area inside Hubspot. From your main Hubspot dashboard, look up to the top navigation bar and click on the settings icon, the little gear. This will open your account settings. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section labeled Content, then click on Domains and URLs. Once that page loads, look at the tabs across the top and choose URL Redirects. This is where all your redirect rules will live. Now we'll create a new flexible redirect. In the top right corner of the URL Redirect screen, click Add URL Redirect. A panel will slide in from the right. In that panel, you'll see different redirect types. Make sure you select the flexible option. This tells Hubspot that you want to use patterns and variables rather than a single fixed source and destination. Next, we'll define the pattern itself. In the original URL field, enter the path that represents the old structure, including the variable parts. For example, you might have something like AO, year, month, post name. The colon before each word tells Hubspot, this part can change, treat it as a variable. Then in the redirect to field, enter the new structure using the same variable names but wrapped in curly brackets like year, month, post name. Hubspot will take whatever it finds in those variable positions and pass them through to the new URL. If you want to redirect everything after a certain point, you can use a wildcard. In the original URL, add rest of URL at the end of the pattern, and in the destination, use our rest of URL. That way, no matter what comes after that part of the path, it will be included in the redirect. Now let's configure a few advanced options. Click on More Options to expand the settings. For redirect style, choose 301 for a permanent redirect, which is usually best for SEO when you're making a lasting change, or 302 for a temporary redirect if you plan to switch it back later. You can also enable match query strings if your redirect depends on anything after a question mark in the URL, like tracking parameters. Finally, if you have many redirects that could overlap, you can set a priority value. Lower numbers run first and take precedence. Once everything looks good, go to the bottom right of the panel and click Add URL Redirect to save your new flexible redirect.